Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your company role in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into the bottom right corner and tap on account. Here we just tap on our the little circle in the top right corner. We tap on view profile, and here in the top right corner there's a little pencil which is the editing function, and here in the profile editing page we can just tap on add your role and type in what kind of role do we have in the company. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.